Hello, it's Friday. The weekend is here, my friends. The weekend is here. Let's get some motivation and empty out this dishwasher and load the dishes from this morning's breakfast. My son and husband have been feeling under the weather, so I kind of like this week have just kind of let things go. You'll see later in the video, my kitchen table has been a catch-all for this week, so I need to clean that up and organize it. But yeah, it's no fun when everybody's sick, you know. As a mom, you know, we hope that our kids never get sick and our family never gets sick, but sometimes it just happens and there's nothing you do. I think it's just this time of year, you know, everybody's getting sick. Today for lunch I'm going to be making some BLTs. We're going to be switching it around though. I'm going to add some turkey and cheese. Here I am cutting up the bacon slices into smaller bite-sized pieces. I don't know if you're anything like me. I hate taking a bite of sandwich and everything falling out because the pieces were too big and now you have a mess all over your shirt. So I like to cook the bacon into bite-sized pieces. That way every bite will have a piece of bacon in it. I'm putting this bacon in an insulated serving bowl with some paper towels. It has a lid, so when I close it, it's gonna keep the bacon nice and warm the whole entire time until I make the sandwiches. And then the paper towel is in there to soak up all the extra grease. I'm gonna move the pan off the stove. I got tomatoes from Costco the other day. Got like a case of them. These were the 3 that weren't on the vine, so I went ahead and decided to cut them all up. We can use the rest of them for dinner tonight, what we don't use on our BLTs. We plan on making burgers in the oven tonight, so my husband will be having bread with his. Me and my son will just be doing light wraps. I'm going to add some lettuce. He's going to have a BLT without the tea, no tomato for him, but I put some pepper jack on there, a couple slices of turkey, and there those are bite-sized bacon bits. And then I realized in the chaos of this week that I did not open the blueberries and rinse them off, so there I am rinsing them off. Now I'm moving on to my son's wraps. Here I am going to add some tomato. I do believe this is smoked Gouda, a little bit of turkey, and of course the bacon bits. Now my son is allergic to, there's his thumbs of approval. He's allergic to blueberries, so strawberries it is. Now onto my wrap. Mine will have everything my son's did, the tomato, turkey, and bacon. But mine wrap, I will not be putting any cheese on my wrap because I'm just not a big fan when it comes to cheese on lettuce wraps. So of course after lunch there's what? Dishes. Always dishes. Can somebody figure out how we can cook in our homes and not have dishes? That would be amazing. Like, I don't know, some genie or, you know, I don't know. But we need to figure it out because, man. So what I'm doing here is I'm just rinsing off and cleaning all the dishes that I like to hand wash. These pans here are dishwasher safe, but I like to hand wash them. I don't know. I feel like personally, I think the pans last longer when you hand wash them. What do you guys think? Are you guys pro dishwasher or pro hand wash when it comes to your pots and pans? Of course, with bacon, there's always a greasy mess, so I am cleaning every spot of my stove, even the top. Don't forget your microwaves because it does get up there too. Now, on to cleaning my counter, just getting it all nice and clean. Cleaning off the garbage can. Now, because we have been sick, or, well, I've been taking care of sick husband and son, this table has become a catch-all. We got a few orders in, we got paint, so I've just been sticking everything on this table. Do you guys have a certain area of your house that just seems to collect everything throughout the week, that has been this table this week. So here I am decluttering it. I'm using a natural disinfectant here on my table, which is, you saw me use it on the stovetop and the countertop too. And all it is vinegar and orange peels. So when we're done using our oranges, I put the peels into a jar and I fill up the jar with vinegar. I let it sit for about a week or two, and then I remove the orange peels and put the contents from the jar into a spray bottle. It is a great natural disinfectant that is pet friendly and family friendly. Here am I just situating everything before I get the vacuum out. Look at my little Nemo there waiting for me. He's my little sidekick buddy. Here I am starting to vacuum. And I know you guys are going to be like, Rachel, why do you still have your Christmas decorations? Well, I'll tell you what, friends, with everybody being sick, I just haven't had the time to put away the decorations. So now that everybody's feeling better, that is my number one activity that I will be doing this weekend, is getting these all back in their boxes and put away nice and safe. Thank you, friends, for joining me today. Hope you all have a great weekend.